Dear students, in this video I am going to give you a brief summary of the first chapter of the First Flight book, that is, A Letter to God. This chapter has been written by G.L. Funtes and it is about a gullible and hard-working farmer whose name is Lancho. His house was situated on the top of a hill and he could see his fields from there. He expected a good crop. The fields only needed some showers, so he was hopeful for some rain. During his meal one night, it began to rain. Lencho was overjoyed. He went out to feel the pleasure of rain and he could see the droplets turning into coins. But suddenly, a strong wind came and large hailstones began to fall. It hailed for an hour and the whole field turned to white. The corn was brutally destroyed. Lencho told his family that they would go hungry that year. There was no one who could help them. All through the night, Lencho thought of only one hope, and that was the help of God. Lencho believed that God's eyes saw everything and he would not let them die of hunger. The following Sunday, he wrote a letter to God, and in the letter he wrote, "God, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I needed just 100 pesos for survival." On the envelope, he just wrote to God. He put the letter inside the envelope and went to town. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the letterbox. A postman showed the letter written to God to the postmaster. The postmaster was an amiable man and he laughed loudly and opened the letter. He appreciated the writer for keeping an extraordinary confidence in God. In order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster decided to answer the letter. The writer had asked for 100 pesos. Since it was impossible for the postmaster to contribute 100 pesos all by himself, he asked for money from his employees and he also asked help from his friends. At the same time, he himself gave a part of his salary. He put all the contributed money in an envelope and addressed it to Lencho. He put the signature of God. The following Sunday, Lencho received the letter. When Lencho counted the money, he became angry because the money was only 70 pesos. He wrote another letter to God to send him the rest of the amount. At the same time, he requested God not to send it to him by mail because he thought that the post office employees were a bunch of crooks. The story conveys the message that a person's faith can turn mountains. Lencho's faith in God enabled him to get help from the postmaster. So that was all for today. If you have any kind of query, you can drop them in the comment section below. You can also follow us on the Instagram handle that is provided in the link below. Wish you all the very best for the forthcoming exams. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.